Good day. So, this is my 1964 Custom Sport Pontiac, and this is what I'm going to drive across Canada in, and then up to Tuktoyaktuk. Look at this sweetheart. Now, yeah, that's the rough spot, that quarter. Got to make up a couple panels, fix the bottom. The other side's done, floor pans are done. Car's in pretty nice shape. I'm going to do a motor, transmission, rear end, new suspension, and I guess I got to put a roof on. One of the requirements of going across Canada and up to Tuktoyaktuk, Lou informed me, was you needed a roof. I've had many convertibles throughout my days. I'm not sure if any of them actually had a working roof, but this one will, I guess. So, beautiful day out here on the prairies. The old 29 Buick McLaughlin, Model L case. Here's a nice Chevy truck. Mark Morrison frame. My daughter's parts Camaro. Bailey's going to come out and do some parts on that. And Brandon's 1970 Le Mans we just kicked outside. All in primer, ready for final scuff. He's got to wire up the motor. And then, rock sled. So I got to go pick up a Christmas tree on Friday. It's got to be a big one, but I think I can tie it on the roof. Oh, princess. Not very happy with me. But I did just feed her, honest. So, lots of exciting stuff here to work on. Yeah, and she is a beauty day. If you're part polar bear. 64 Pontiac Chrome. This is some of the stuff I bought. And there's the old rock sled motor. And Super Dog. Honey, how you doing today, honey? Yeah, you don't want to go outside, do you? So, and Bailey's Camaro. So, I'm realigning the hinges on the door, trying to get that done. It's pretty busy Christmas days off, I will say. Oh yeah, JF Buick. So, carry on with my polishing. I got a couple weeks here, but I got to get that Pontiac in and thawed out to start with and start making some panels for it. I'm kind of looking forward to it. All right. So the front wheels are turning. The brakes were seized to the drums. And so what's going on at the back here?
Well, I'm gonna cut a hole in that drum so that I can get out the link that holds the bottom of the shoes apart and spread them out so I can get that drum out.
Okay, so we soaked them, you beat on them, nothing worked, eh?
That's right.
Okay, we'll get out of Spark's way. Yeah, so I got a little bit of inner, make up a new panel there, and then rocker, of course, and a little bit on the front fender. The floor pans are all right, but yeah, you can see this. Yeah, I'm going to repair that. A little tiny bit at the front, but overall, it's looking pretty good. Whoop, what we got going here? Yeah.
Well, now I'll cut this off.
Oh, there's just a little edge. Right, yeah,
Yes,
right
and I don't
there.
really, I don't want to cut the edge of that axle.
Gotcha.
So I gotta be down I guess I'll try. I guess I might as well cut it off here.
Okay, yeah, I think this side's broken free now. Holy. Huh. Hey, there might have been some movement there.
Hey?
Jeez. Okay.
Now let's have a look at that.
There's the adjuster.
Yeah, and it'll only go one way. Just hold this light up here.
Now, which is tighter, up or down? It's hard to say.
Well, this tightens.
Oh, wait,
I
we can see
understand.
the threads on that.
It's a left-hand thread.
So you got to turn it
Well,
up.
that's,
You got
yeah,
to pry up.
that's right. It means it should go this way.
Now, you want me to spray it with some THIS?
Well, yes. Anyway, that won't hurt.
There you go, Dad.
Yep. Great stuff, that.
Oh, yeah. It is. Holy. That does not want to move.
I thought I was turning, but I guess it was just moving a little bit. So, it means,
Unless we can pop the brakes apart.
and the hell of it is, you see the drummer holding them in place,
Yeah.
is cutting that goddamn thing. And I can do it. It's either that or cut the whole thing off, but at least I was far away from that axle. That's what's my
Oh, yeah.
concern. I wonder if I can get out of that station.
Well, and it's just... I just went... Oh, wait. That thing...
Do you think it moved?
Yeah, well, I moved the wrong... Yeah.
Just a minute. Did it come?
Did, but I guess
Here.
not.
Well, shine the light in there where we can be sure.
No, I guess... Shit, it looked like it moved.
It is not turning. It is not turning. And the only thing I can see is to cut that right through there.
Yeah, take a torch and cut the adjuster.
Well, or this. Well, yeah, we could just cut the adjuster. I was going to say I can cut that drum right across the bottom. Maybe that's the thing to do.
Huh?
I guess.
Okay, so if I was just wondering if I just ran the zip cut straight through here,
That's what I was thinking.
underneath.
Yeah. Reach it.
Well, yeah, but if we put a chisel in that drum now, it might break free, right?
If I put a chisel in,
No, in the crack you just cut.
Oh, maybe.
That just split.
Yeah, maybe it's the actual chip.
Here's a big one.
Oh, is it a pin in that? Yeah, maybe. Looks good.
Want me to take a few cracks at it, or?
Oh, just see how my hand stands this.
You want the bigger hammer? It's on the other side. It's over there. You hold this thing and I'll take a crack with the bigger hammer.
Now it'll come off.
Baby!
Yeah.
I got this. Alright! Well, that was easy. Look at this. Wow.
Has no arms on the back.
Does the axle turn?
Yeah.
I'm just wondering if it's paused or not. The other side's seized. So it might be...
It turns.
Oh, okay. So limited...
It turns.
That's good. Okay.
Oh, yes.
Well, you got it.
That's right. Now,
You getting somewhere? Holy jeez. Look at that. It's close.
Yeah, it's getting there.
Oh. It's just being a royal pain.
I'll go get the other screwdriver to see if we can get it.
So when people bring in a 64 Pontiac Parisian rear end to A1 driveline, who usually works on it?
It would either be my son or Elder.
Oh, okay. See, it still seats at the top, isn't it? You got the bottom loose,
Yeah, it's
actually.
loose up here too. You can see it move here.
Oh, okay. Whoop.
I beat the crap out of it.
Well, and what happens is your shoes will come out at the bottom.
Yeah.
But the pins out of your cylinders hold the top part of the shoe.
Oh, right.
In there.
I went in here and just beat the crap out of the brake shoe.
Oh, okay. Good
So you
plan.
might have broke this one
Yeah.
loose,
Yeah, we didn't have that hole on the other side.
but it isn't loose at the top side.
I wonder, no, turning the axle turns the drum and everything.
When I look at how hard it was to cut that hole, I'm ready to cut another one.
Okay. Well, I'm probably going to leave you to that now that we have a plan. And I got to go get on that car, Brandon's,
Oh, okay.
get it primed. So excellent. Excellent. Ooh. Ooh.
Holy
you
crap. I'm very...
I've been offered to hold the punch. No way.
Not let her do. I just... Close.
I think it's coming.
Yeah, it got there a long ways.
Yeah, it did.
Yeah, it is coming. Maybe if I had another one back here doing the same thing.
Yeah.
But on the other hand,
I'll be getting new ones anyhow.
let's sacrifice a drum.
Yes. Yes.
Drum's no good anyhow.
Okay, I got to get back to work on the woman.
Okay.
Have fun. Be careful. I got more zip cuts if you need them.